Hola amigos, in this quick video we are going to review and practice the verb ser. And pay close attention to the complete video because you will find some practice, some exercises along with the examples that we have here in this video. So let's get started with this sentence here. I'm from New York, and you? Here we are speaking about origin. For that reason we have to use the verb ser. This sentence will go like this in Spanish. Yo soy de Nueva York. ¿Y tú? Yo soy de Nueva York. ¿Y tú? So, how would you say this one here? We are from Chicago. And you? How would you say that sentence in Spanish? We are from Chicago. And you? How about this other one here? Carlos and I are from Colombia. Carlos and I are from Colombia. Another example here. You are a student and Marcos is a teacher. Here, we are speaking about professions. For that reason, we have to use the verb ser. So, tú eres estudiante y Marcos es maestro. Tú eres estudiante y Marcos es maestro. Remember that the word teacher could be maestro, profesor, either way works. Maestro or profesor. Now, how would you say this sentence here? You and Marcos are teachers. You and Marcos are teachers. And how about this other one here? Carla and Marcos are teachers. How would you say that in Spanish? Carla and Marcos are teachers. Today is January 10th. Here we are talking about date and time. For that reason we have to use the verb ser. This sentence goes like this. Hoy es 10 de enero. Hoy es 10 de enero. How would you say this sentence? Today is May 5th. How about this other one here, number 6? Today is March 12th. In this example, it's 3 in the afternoon. We are speaking about time and date, right? It belongs to the same category. That's why we have to use the verb ser. In this case, we will say, son las 3 de la tarde. Son las 3 de la tarde. So how would you say this? It's 6 in the morning. It's 6 in the morning in Spanish. And how about this other one? It's 9 p.m. It's 9 p.m. or 9 in the evening, right? How would you say that in Spanish? For p.m., you can say the same, but in Spanish it will sound like this. p.m. p.m. In this other example, Carlos is Miguel's brother. Carlos is Miguel's brother. We are speaking about family and relationships. So this sentence in Spanish will go like this. Carlos es el hermano de Miguel. Carlos es el hermano de Miguel. For some reason the family and relationship title disappeared. There we go. So, how would you say this sentence here? Carlos and Miguel are brothers. Carlos and Miguel are brothers. And how about this one, number 10? You and Marcos are friends. You and Marcos are friends. How would you say that in Spanish? My dog is very smart. My dog is very smart. In this case, we are speaking about personal and physical characteristics. For that reason, we have to use the verb ser. Mi perro es muy inteligente. Mi perro es muy inteligente. How about this example for you? Your cat and your dog are very small. Your cat and your dog are very small. You have to do that in Spanish. How would you say that? And how about this one now? Miguel's cat is very big. Miguel's cat is very big. How would you say that in Spanish? Remember that you have to use the verb ser. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to leave your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the thumbs up if you like this video, and we will keep posting more videos like this so that you can practice your Spanish. Hasta luego.